So this is how you program the NUHEAT signature and the NUHEAT home thermostat, which is the one we have displayed here. So if you go into settings, go into program schedule, this is where you enter your schedule. So when you wake up, you tap this, and what time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I want the floor to be 86. When I leave the house for work, this is on a weekday, I could say I'm leaving work at leaving home at 8. I want to drop down to 74. When do I get home after work? I get home after work at 4:30. I want it to be 92 because perhaps it's a little bit cooler in the evening. I want the floor to be warmer. And what time do I go to sleep? I go to sleep at 10:30. And I want it to drop down to 70 degrees for optimum energy savings. You could save, and there's your program. To set the weekend days, you tap on here, the buttons on the top or the upper left or upper right, and same thing. So the default program is to have it on the entire day until you're asleep, and that's why these events are inactive, or you can see the green lights are not, or the button is not lit. So to activate them, you go here and you click active. You can click save, but that's if you want that set point active. To deactivate it, do that and click save, and there you go. If your schedule is not a typical weekday and weekend schedule, what you can do is you can go to new program and select the days that are common. So if you go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, let's say, so you set the schedule for that. So it's the same thing, you know, say 6:30. So you do that, click next, and it doesn't allow you to select the days that you've already selected. So you complete this process and making sure every single day is adjusted. Let's just say for these days I get home a little bit earlier. Click save, and then now you're done. So after all 7 days are programmed, you can click done. So you click done, and all days have been programmed. And so there it is. To review it, you have Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This is your schedule. And now it's Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. A bit of an odd schedule, but something that's possible in the NUHEAT thermostats.